Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. And this time we're taking you out to the Savannah Mustang Club's open car show. And this is the Grand Tour. We're going to take you around and show you what cars are out there and talk about them a little bit. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're out here at the Savannah Mustang Club open car show. Not exactly blowing my skirt up here, guys. I wasted a lot of mileage to come up here. But we're going to take you and show you the Grand Tour. This is a nice F1 Ford here. The graphic on this one's about the coolest thing about it here. Otherwise, yeah, it's just a Mustang event. You know, generic, nothing special Mustangs. Then you get on to the other side of the trailer. Behind you. Now we get into the fun stuff. Got a nice looking 65 Nova here, man. This thing's cool. And the C10 next to it's pretty awesome too. Yeah, this show, I drove almost 2.5 hours to get up here to this show. You know, thinking, oh yeah, it's gonna be a good show. It's gonna be somewhere different. There's been a couple of good things to see here, but not many. Of course, I like this one here. This business coupe is cool. There's 340 CUDA there. Seen that Cadillac 3 times now. It's cool. Anyway, that's about gonna wrap it up with this one. Ain't a whole lot to see. So anyway, that's gonna be it, guys. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Savannah Mustang Club's open car show. some things happened. It was a little bit on the mediocre side. But, you know, you never know until you go to a car show and see what's out there. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers, so any help you could be on that would be great. Share us around to your friends, your car people, your non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. Anyway, so, like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We'll keep going out to the car shows as long as you guys keep watching. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys out there.